Today in this video I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Redmi A1 hard reset pattern unlock. Turn off your Xiaomi Redmi A1. Press and hold the volume up and power keys simultaneously. Release only the power button when the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, but continue holding the volume up key until the recovery mode menu shows up. Navigate to wipe data and select wipe all data using the volume rocker to move and the power key to confirm. Confirm the action by selecting confirm to begin the data wiping procedure. Once the wipe is complete, go back to the main menu, choose reboot from the menu options, select reboot to system to enable the device, wait for the reset process to complete. Your phone will be reset to its factory settings similar to when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.